Transform your body with Ozempic, the weight loss secret of Southwest ranches. Are you tired of struggling to lose weight? Are you looking for a solution that will help you achieve your weight loss goals and keep the weight off for good? Look no further than Ozempic. This breakthrough medication is changing the game when it comes to weight loss, and it could be just what you need to finally see the results you've been dreaming of. So what is Ozempic? It's a once-weekly injection that works by mimicking the effects of a hormone called GLP-1 in your body. This hormone helps regulate your appetite and metabolism, leading to weight loss. And the best part? It's been proven to be safe and effective in clinical trials. But don't just take our word for it. Here are just a few of the reasons why Ozempic is the weight loss secret of Southwest ranches. Easy to use and convenient. Unlike other weight loss treatments that require multiple pills or supplements throughout the day, Ozempic is a once-weekly injection. This means you only have to worry about it once a week, making it a convenient and easy-to-use option for busy people on the go. Plus, because it's an injection, you don't have to worry about remembering to take it or dealing with any unpleasant side effects that come with taking pills or supplements. Long-term results. One of the biggest challenges with weight loss is maintaining your results over time. But with Ozempic, you can feel confident that you'll see long-term results. In clinical trials, patients who took Ozempic lost an average of 12–14% of their body weight over the course of a year, and many were able to keep the weight off even after they stopped taking the medication. So, if you're looking for a weight loss solution that will help you achieve lasting results, Ozempic is the way to go. Improved overall health. When you're carrying extra weight, it can have a negative impact on your overall health. But by losing weight with Ozempic, you can improve your health in a number of ways. For example, losing weight can help lower your blood pressure and reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It can also improve your sleep quality, reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke, and even boost your mood and energy levels. Customizable to your needs. Everyone's weight loss journey is unique, which is why it's important to have a weight loss solution that can be customized to your needs. With Ozempic, your healthcare provider can adjust your dosage based on your individual needs and weight loss goals. This means you can feel confident that you're getting the right amount of medication to help you achieve your goals, without any unnecessary side effects or complications. Supported by a team of experts. When you choose Ozempic for weight loss, you're not just getting a medication, you're getting the support of a team of weight loss experts who are dedicated to helping you achieve your goals. Your healthcare provider will work with you to develop a personalized weight loss plan that includes diet and exercise recommendations, as well as regular check-ins to track your progress and adjust your treatment plan as needed. Affordable and accessible. Finally, one of the biggest advantages of Ozempic is that it's affordable and accessible to people of all backgrounds and income levels. Many insurance plans cover Ozempic for weight loss, and there are also programs available to help make it more affordable for those who don't have insurance or who need assistance paying for their medication. So, if you're looking for a weight loss solution that won't break the bank, Ozempic is a great option. Transform your life with Ozempic. Are you ready to take control of your weight and transform your life with Ozempic? Talk to your healthcare provider today to see if Ozempic is right for you. With its proven effectiveness, customizable dosage, and long-term results, Ozempic is the weight loss secret of Southwest ranches. So why wait? Start your weight loss journey today and see the amazing results for yourself.